In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you check Disney Plus server status and fix it. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your preferred browser. Then type in Disney Plus server status and search for it. Now head over to the website Down Detector. Now if there are any outages, you're going to find user reports show problems with Disney Plus. In case there are no issues, you're going to find out user reports no problem with Disney Plus. At the moment, there is issues with Disney Plus, so I'm getting this kind of pop-up, user reports show problem with Disney Plus. First thing you want to do is wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. Or also you can try these workarounds. So launch settings, go to general, click on the option iPhone storage. From here, find Disney Plus and launch it. Click on offload app and confirm it. This will clear cache for the app. Click on reinstall app. Next up, head back. Now check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Disney Plus. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. After that, try to log out of your account and log back into refresh your session. Finally, restart the device and try again. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.